Hi guys.
Welcome to Diku channel. Today we will do the barbecue pork feet. First we need boiling this pork feet, then wash it.
And then we will boiling about in about 1 hour. Leo, let's cook it in our luxury tiny house.
Okay, let's go.
Leo, please help me open the door.
Okay. Joe, pass me please. Now the water is boiling, so we put the pork feet in it.
After boiling, we need to wash every pork feet. Then I'm going to make camera. We need to add the soy sauce. It's a dark soy sauce. As you can see the color, it's darker than regular soy sauce. If you don't have that, then we need to make a camera. But today we are going to add both of them. As you can see, both color is kind of similar. We just want to color the pork feet.
Now we'll add the onion and the sauce, boiling with the pork feet with one hour. Joe, add the sauce, please.
Okay.
Okay, then add the cane sugar. And last we add the water to cover the pork feet. Then boiling like close 1 hour.
We cooked it, boiled it, washed it, and let naturally cool down. It takes about 5 hours for total.
Nice color.
And it's ready to barbecue.
So put the rosemary, please. Joe, nice pop sound.
It's ready. I can smell it.
almost done. The brush for the rosemary. Now it's all done. I can't wait to taste it. When we boiling the pork feet, we had to put the dark sauce and also put some salt on the boiling water. So when we barbecue, we don't put the salt at the pork feet.
At the beginning, we already squeeze the lemon to the pork feet, but there's no juice come out. But after we barbecue it, then there's more juice come out. A lot of juice comes out.
So we're 90% to use the lemon. Okay, let me try.
Fine.
It tastes yummy.
Yummy? Okay.
If you like our food, please subscribe our channel.
Thank you. Please also thumb up.
Thank you guys. Eat with the vegetable, taste more better.